Welcome to Brain Vision.
So in this question, the effect of the pressure drop and the isentropic turbine has to be found out on the rate of heat input. So there is a heat input that is given. After that is to be given for a particular power plant. So these are the given values that we have: P3, delta P boiler, P4, P4, P5, P6, P2 is equals to P3, P7 is equals to P is 5, P1 is equals to P6. So when we are analyzing the steam, we have to write these formula: x1 equal to 0, h1, that is the enthalpy. This is the values. V1 is a volume condition, V here WP input, and H2. Now this is for the pump. Okay, this entire thing is for the pump, and this entire thing that is there, that is for the turbine. So there is a turbine also. This is a power plant, right? So there will be pump, there will be turbine also. All the conditions are given here. So there are more to it. Let's see to it what it is all about. So here we also have for the closed feed water heater and also the cycle. So we have the pump values, the turbine values, the closed heater, and the cycle equations that we have here. Accordingly, we'll get certain values for it. So let's see for 10K Pascal pressure drop in the boiler, what are the values that we are going to get? So as you see here, solution with 10K Pascal pressure drop in the boiler. So the Q in would be 2352.8, keeping all these values, right? This is the EES. Now, what is the condition if there is without any pressure drop? So there will be will there be a change? 2352.5. So with the pressure drop of 10 kilopascal, we have 2352.8, and otherwise it is 2352.5. That means it is just zero point 0.3 is difference that is there with pressure drop or without pressure drop. I hope you understood the relation.